Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can get the underwater or muffled sounds audio on your video with the CapCut. So here is the original audio for my video, how to make a cool sound on it. And here I wanted to make it muffled. How the way to make the sounds muffled or get like underwater effect of this video audio, just tap into the audio sections, and they will bring you into this type of option and tap it into the sections again until the sections is active. Now please take a look on this button feature that will bring audio effects there. Go tap it. Now they will bring you into the options or effects of the audio on the CapCut. You just need to scroll all the way down until you found the microphone. And after you got the microphone, you just need to tap it. How to make a cool sound on a CapCut application. Go click this checklist button, and now you're done. Now your voice or the audio on this video is sound muffled already. How to make a cool sound on a CapCut application. So that is the way, guys, how you can make an underwater effect audio or muffled effects for your audio with the CapCut. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.